Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, so we just finished up the live watching the Carnival Jubilee arrive here in Galveston. Now that was a lot of fun. Met some really cool people down here. Got to meet Rick, who is a regular contributor to our show. So it was really cool seeing everybody, meeting some new folks. The crowd down here was nice size. There was probably a couple hundred people down here, just laughing, cheering. Saw the ship come in. The crew members were out on the balconies singing, dancing, holding up signs. I mean, it was really cool just to be down here and to be a part of it. I did take some extra video just in case you didn't see the live, or sometimes the live was, a little bit shaky because it was a live. I do have some extra video. I'm gonna go ahead and show that to you guys right now. So that is the Carnival Jubilee officially arrived in Galveston, Texas. Like I said, it was a lot of fun. Really enjoyed being down here. Though I do think I kind of made a bit of a mistake in where I parked. I parked in the paid parking lot here at Pier 21, just in case you're familiar with Galveston. And everybody else also had the same idea. So now that it's time to leave, there unfortunately is only one exit. You got to pay on your way out. So it's been a bit of a line waiting to get out of here. Hence why I thought, hey, this is a good time to just make a video, since I got to sit here and wait. I don't feel like playing bumper cars with these people trying to get out of here. Got about a 3.5, 4-hour drive before I get back to the house. But honestly, it was completely worth it. I did have to leave the house at 3 o'clock this morning. Got down here at 7. Wanted to, be up front. Wanted to get a good spot. And I'm glad I did, because there was somebody along the entire railing that they had up. A lot of people were having to stand behind other people. So I'm glad I got here early and was able to get all of this set up. So cool trip. Definitely worth it. Temperature wasn't real bad. It was about 60 degrees this morning. There was a breeze, of course, coming off of the water, made it a little extra chilly, but was prepared, had jacket and all that kind of good stuff. But I just wanted to hop on here and show you guys a little bit of extra stuff that I took at the end. Share everything with you about this trip. Now, this line's finally dying down. Time for me to get on the road, get back home, and get back into everything cruising. Well, I hope everyone out there has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.